Hi, this is Mia Trip Trek Life. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be building a new birdcage for Toy. This is the birdcage right here. It just arrived from Amazon. I'll have a link to it down below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get trekking.
I'll open it because I'm your mother. Yeah. Then I'll get rid of the contaminant.
The door. These are the instructions right here. These are the included parts.
Spent the whole time wondering what the pieces were. It's on the back. Of course it is. We were like, what are those numbers? And by we, I mean I.
And we're going to go open the other accessories in the other box. Whoa!
Don't touch anything.
This is the final product of the cage. This is where we're going to put the water. This is where we're going to put the food. We have some nice perches all aligned. He can go and relax for all of them, and if we want to say hi to him, he can always go to this perch right here. What we really like about this cage is that it moves around. It has some really cool doors, such as this really big door, which has a really cool opening system. And these auto-close doors, which when you open them, automatically close because of gravity.
Okay, let's go.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. This is Toy in his new cage. He really seems to like it. He's mothering his food. As you can see, the level's gone down substantially. The water's really nice. The food's really nice. And Toy of all is the best. The door's really nice. Everything here is just great. And Toy seems to be loving it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. I'd love to know all about you, so leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next trek. Are you excited? This is Toy, our cute little yellow bird. He is a cockatiel and he has these really nice orange cheeks that are the cutest. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next in the...